welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, hit the notification button so you can be alerted when we upload new videos. If you're returning, thank you. Today we are making blueberry cheesecake, but we're gonna make it with a little twist. Again, on this channel, we try not to use any refined sugar, but I did not make the graham crackers, so likely there are some sugar in the graham crackers. But this is a pretty simple cake to make, and you can use any crackers that you like. So let's get started. Here I have 180 grams of graham crackers. It's about 12 crackers. I am going to crush them myself. They are so easy to crush. And it's quite therapeutic when you're actually rolling the rolling pin over the crackers. Now, if you like, you can also buy already crushed graham crackers in the stores. I am going to place this here. Then we have 70 grams of melted butter. We are going to add this and mix them together. If you feel like the graham crackers are not sweet enough, you could actually add any sweetener of your choice to the graham crackers. But I think these are sweet enough. We're going to mix, just making sure that when you mix it, that if you squeeze the mixture, it holds but crumbles. So you want it to mix together and hold its shape. Now we're going to use a 9-inch pan, which we are going to just grease a little bit. And then we're going to pour all of this in here. And what we're going to do is to mold this as a base. You can use a flat bottom plate to just mold it. Now, depending on how you want to mold it, if you want the graham crackers to only be at the base, which is what I'm doing, you mold it. If you want it to come all the way up to the cake, you can do that and mold it to the side, ensuring that this is level. This is a thick base. We are going to refrigerate this for about 30 minutes. While the base is in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, we are going to start with our filling. We have 16 ounces of cream cheese that is softened. You want it softened because you don't want lumps in your cream cheese. If it is too cold, you can microwave it. And we are going to use the paddle attachment with the stand mixer. To this, we are going to add, this is 3/4 cup of stevia, and we'll mix. We only wanted to mix this till it's combined. Then we are going to add 1/2 cup of sour cream. I'm just going to scrape the side to make sure that everything is fully combined, because you do not want a lump of stevia powder or sugar if you're using sugar at the bottom. Then we'll continue. Next, I'm adding some lemon zest and 1 tablespoon of lemon. And then we proceed in adding 3 eggs, one at a time. And then we add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. To add some body to it, this is 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour that we're going to see. We are going to scrape again to make sure that everything is combined. Then we're going to take it out. The next thing we're going to add is 1 cup of fresh blueberry, and we'll combine together. In the meantime, we had our oven set at 325 degrees. We preheated it. So now we are going to fill the baking pan. In the meantime, we'll boil some water and fill this oven pan with hot water that we're going to use to bake this. We want to make sure that the blueberries are evenly spaced out and not just in one spot. Shake it. We are going to place this in the oven at 325 degrees for about 1.5 hours to bake. We are going to put this at the bottom so that it will be steaming to help it cook. All right, so now we are going to prepare the blueberry topping. So let's get onto the stove top. On the stove top, on the medium heat, we have 1.5 cup of blueberry. We're going to add 1/2 cup of agave. You can use honey. Or you can use stevia or any sweetener of your choice. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we're just gonna let it simmer. So once this has come to a simmer, we are combining 2 tablespoons of water and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch together. We're gonna use it to thicken the topping. But before we do that, we're gonna add more blueberries. We add another 1/2 cup of blueberry. We will add cornstarch and mix. You can watch it thicken. And then we turn it off to cool down before we can use it. Look at that beautiful color. Almost like magenta. It's amazing. I'm going to transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down. The oven timer has gone off. And let's go and get the cheesecake out of the oven. Wow, look at that. Now, this is how you know that it's done. You can see it's separated from the pan. Jiggles a little bit, but not too much. Completely done. We are going to let it cool down before we do our topping. We're going to place it and let it cool for about 30 minutes. Our cheesecake has cooled down and our topping is also cool. So now what we're going to do is remove this from here. And look at that. And we're just going to slide it right off. And we're going to put the topping and spread it. We added the cornstarch so that we would not have the blueberry running off the side of the cake. This just looks so amazing. I'm gonna lick this. The topping is so good. It has that lemony, tangy taste. The only thing is that we are not going to cut into this cake today, as I made it because I have my family coming in tomorrow, which is Memorial Day, and we're going to cut into this cake. So right now I'm going to refrigerate this till tomorrow. It's amazing. It's just too yummy. This is really very easy to make and it's so simple. If you like, you can also add some whipped cream when you're eating it. If this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that we can notify you when we upload new videos. This is Dr. Okeke. Thank you and God bless.